Number 9 says the order reads 30 milligrams per kilogram 3 times a day for 5 days. If the patient weighs 121 pounds, how many grams are received in the 5 days? So we don't need to worry about converting to liquid form in this problem, but we do need to worry about time because they're talking about 3 times a day for 5 days. So let's start with the weight. And 121 divided by 2.2, and we get 55. So then we need to set that up in a proportion with the 30 milligrams per kilogram. So 30 milligrams over 1 kilogram is equal to x over 55 kilograms. So if I solve this proportion, I get x is equal to 1,650 milligrams. Now they do want the final answer in grams, but I'm going to wait till we worry about the 3 times a day for 5 days and then convert and then round. So I don't want to round until the very end. So this was the second thing that I worked with, and then now this will be the third. So I'm taking the 1,650, multiplying it by 3 because it's 3 times a day, and then multiplying it by 5 because it's 5 days. And that's going to get you 24,750 milligrams. But then again, they want how many grams. So I need to move my decimal place over. And they want the final answer rounded to the nearest tenth. So this will be 24.8 grams.